Welcome to this week's Thai Kitchen, the series from my Thai cookbook. Today I'm going to make a beautiful, fragrant Thai plum dipping sauce. And the ingredients you will need for that are as follows. Nice, ripe, fresh plums, pickled garlic, dry chilies flakes, ginger, sugar, Chinese vinegar, lime juice, sesame oil, water and cornstarch. Right, so first thing up, I'm going to add the juices. So the pickled garlic with the pickled garlic and vinegar with that. Lime juice, sugar, chili flakes, ginger, Chinese vinegar. What we're going to do is let that now just reduce slightly. As you can see, this is starting to caramelize now, and that's what gives it that nice beautiful golden color. Now I'm adding my plums. Give that a little stir. Add my water. Right, I'm going to leave that to simmer now for approximately 15 minutes, very slowly. It should thicken slightly, and then I'm going to add the remainder of the ingredients. Look at the color on that. Now, just a little bit of cornstarch with a splash of water, and that's just going to thicken it up ever so slightly. Splash of sesame oil. This also gives it a wonderful shine. Oh, ready. And a little kick to it. Look at the colours on that wonderful, wonderful dish. Isn't that amazing? Fragrant, spicy, sweet, fruity. Absolutely amazing. I love homemade plum sauce. Absolutely great. This comes from the Thai cookbook that is on ebook and on hard copy with over 100 recipes and stories of my life in Thailand. I did over 60-70 motorbike trips over a 6-year periods, and having to deal with hairy, scary, corrupt suppliers and all kind of stuff, snakes in the office, you name it. It's all in there. Learned all these recipes from the locals. I give a little bit of twist. Should you like to get this book, you can click on the link at the end of the video. Bon appetit, folks. Thanks for watching.